To verify Apple Pay on the Navy Federal app, start by opening the Navy Federal app on your device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select the Manage Cards option. In the Manage Cards section, choose the card you want to add to Apple Pay and select the Add to Digital Wallet option. You will then be prompted to select Apple Pay as your digital wallet. After selecting Apple Pay, you will be asked to verify your card information. Review the information carefully to ensure it is accurate. Then select the Continue option. You may be asked to provide additional verification, such as a one-time password sent to your phone or email. Once you have completed the verification process, your card will be added to Apple Pay. You can then use Apple Pay to make purchases in stores, online, or in apps. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your device near the contactless reader, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and wait for the confirmation. It is essential to note that you should only use Apple Pay with trusted devices and keep your device and account information secure. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Navy Federal immediately. By following these steps, you can easily verify Apple Pay on the Navy Federal app and start enjoying the convenience of contactless payments. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and device to protect your financial information.